1, 2. Can you count, Harper? What's after 2?
3.
3. What's next?
13.
What's after 3, Harper? What's after 3? Harper. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. 5. 5. What's after 5? 6. 6. Can you say 6? He's learning to count. Now you, Lucy, let's count to 20. You count those circles again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20, 29.
Wait, 13?
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Yay! High five!
22, 23.